Hi guys, today for you I have the July Doki box. My mailman kind of crushed it, but that's okay. This month is a shooting star theme. So let's open this guy up. Alright, ooh, I can already see some cool stuff right here. Alright, so this is our little pamphlet. We have shooting stars, we have a girl jumping into space. It looks like they showed you some of the stuff you'll get. So this is some of the photos. It says make a wish. This month is created around the theme Narugo Bushi or shooting star. All the items here are here to help you accomplish your everyday wishes, such as keeping it organized, saving money, and more. We also have a special item for a celebration and reunion of star-crossed lovers. The Bata this month, July 7th, so you too can take part in the festivities. So here's some photos. Here's the stuff that you can get if you win the monthly prize. Here's the stuff we'll be getting. Here's the comic. Alright, so the first thing in our box is this lovely Little Star Twins soap pump. It says help make the dream of a cleaner planet using this reusable soap pump. If you use liquid soap, this kawaii bottle removes the need for a single-use soap pump and turns reduced plastic all while making your bathroom or kitchen or so cute. You can fill with soap, dish detergent, shampoo, face wash, and more. So it is this light purple. You've got our little twin stars on here. They have flowers. And then there's some other characters that are all hanging out on here. And it's 300 ml. Here's the tag for that. The next thing is... ooh, this is good. If you guys like Sailor Moon and stuff. It's a Sailor Moon notebook. Keep all your notes together in this notebook, guarded by Sailor Moon, Chibi Moon, or Sailor Neptune and Sailor Uranus. These starry notebooks serve to help you keep your wishes safe as a diary, but when you wish to keep your thoughts organized, they'll help you make it come true by keeping all your notes for errands, work, or school. So, let's see. So here's what it looks like. So that's the cover. Ooh, this is cool. You get scenes from the show. So there's all those. Take those in. And then it says Pretty Guardian Sailor Moon on each page. And then on the other opposite page it says Sailor Uranus, Sailor Neptune with their special items there, their weapons. And that's that notebook. The next item is this little pouch. It says Little Twin Star. If you wish to save money, Kiki and Lola are here to help you start. Hold your spare change in this adorable pouch decorated with Little Twin Star is a dreamy cafe. So let's take that out. So here they are. They're having some sparkly star tea or something. The inside is just a rubber foam thing. It says Little Twin Star will put your oven, the rainbow, into a kettle and climbs the columns above. Here's the back. Let's see if our zipper pull has anything on it. You could like bring this with you if you like go to like the laundromat or go to the arcade or Almost got the tissue paper off. Alright, so it's a clip clasps. Alright, so the next thing in our box is a Kirby Bento. It looks like this. Looks like you can get different colors because the one on here is blue and different designs. It says Kirby Bento, your classic hero stars, is here to help pack your lunch, but make sure he doesn't eat it all. If you wish to eat healthy, packing a nutritious lunch or snack in this cute bento is a step in the right direction. So Kirby says lunchtime DJ, so he's a DJ in this one. The inside is yellow. Okay, and the last thing in our box is a wind chime. It is in this box. I'll get it out in a sec. It says Tenuva's Star Festival, where two Identity lovers represented by the Star Attire and the Vega are reunited in Japan. Many people write down their prayers, wishes, slips them paper, and hand them on a bamboo so that gods will receive them. Some places decorate for the holiday with wind chimes. We also provide one for you with a slip of paper that you can write your wish on. So these look like they come in different designs. Mine is a purple one. I love purple. So that's the chime. Alright, so those are all the things in our box, and I hope you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye!